Hey everybody, it's Teresa. Welcome to my channel. I have the August 2026 Potomac Beads Treasure Edition subscription box to share with you all today. I'll put links in the description box below to the pages on the Potomac Beads website where you can go and read about both of their subscription boxes and sign up if it's something that you're interested in. It looks like the theme this month is Endless Sunset. Welcome to Endless Sunset, an August treasure box inspired by the breathtaking radiance and fleeting beauty of late summer skies. Inside you will find a beautifully curated collection of materials boasting rich golden hues, warm ambers, and soft twilight tones, perfect for your next creative escape. As the season begins to shift, we hope these elements inspire you to slow down, create, and capture the magic of a summer that never quite ends. And then on the back is a list of everything that's in the bag. And this is a very, very large organza bag that they've got this in this time. Get everything out of there. There's a little peek at everything that's in there. Looks like there's all kinds of pretty things to play with. It's holding all sort of everything out, and I'll be back. Okay, I've got everything sorted out now. And first I have two Potomac Crystal Rivolies. They're 10mm and the color is Mystic Juicy Peach. Those are really pretty. Well, that would be the front because it's the shinier side. And that would be the back. They're really, really pretty. And then next is a strand of Potomac Pearl Rondelle beads. They're cream and they're 4 by 6mm. These are really pretty. And then next are some check glass cathedral beads. They're 8 by 6mm and the color is topaz gold. Those are really pretty. Pretty little cathedral beads. And then next are two cup buttons. The color is apricot. These are really pretty. I love cup buttons. I should use them more than I do. I've got a lot of them. They're really pretty. And then next are some 2mm Potomac Crystal Bicone beads. The color is Hyacinth. And those are really pretty. I love the little tiny beads. so tiny. It's easier to pick them up with a needle than to try to do what I'm doing. Here we go. Really, really pretty, tiny little bicone beads. Next are some jet glass rice beads. They're 4 by 6 millimeter, and it says orange swirl 4 times. I'm not sure what that 4 times means, but there's just a whole lot of these. Little rice-shaped beads. And then next are 2 Athena cast charms. They're 12 by 15 millimeters. It says oval bird swallow. Those are really pretty. That's what the back looks like. A pretty little pair of earrings with these. And then next is a strand of big rondelle beads. These are Potomac crystal rondelles, faded endless sunset. They're 8 by 12 millimeters. And they've got tassels on the end of them, of the strands. Those are really pretty. Got all kinds of colors. Let me see. Zoomed in too much for this. These beads are big. Those are just really, really pretty. Try to lay these over here so I don't spill everything. And next I have some jet glass smooth round beads. They're 6 millimeters, and it says yellow and then it cuts off CRY. I guess that's maybe crystal. Yellow and crystal, I don't know. These are really pretty. Those are really pretty. I love that little design in there. A lot of those. And then next is a 7-inch strand of 4 millimeter gemstones. It's lepidolite. Those are really pretty. And then next are some freshwater pearls, B-grade Baroque Kishi pearl drops. They're 6 millimeters and they're white. And these were on a strand, but a few of them were loose, so I cut them off. The rest of them off and put them in this little dish here. It's really neat. And then next are some Athena cast belly beads, or Bali beads probably is how you say it. There's some big, they got lots of holes in them. Make sure to get through the right hole there. Those are really pretty. And then next are some Athena cast Navette halo beads. They're 15 by 10 millimeters. They're Tibetan silver. So the halo beads. It's like a little cage for your Navette beads. Of course, you could probably put a different bead in there. Or they're shaped like a Navette, but you could get a round bead would probably go in there because it's a round circle, round hole there. Those are really pretty, really cool. And then next are some Miyuki seed beads. I just left these in the baggie because I was afraid I'd get them everywhere if I tried to pour them out. They're 11/0 and the color is vintage copper. Really pretty. Next are some laser cut acrylic sunflower teardrops. These are really neat. They have a protective coating on them that I'm not going to try to take off, because that would probably end up a disaster if I tried to do that on video. But you can take that protective coating off. Those are really pretty. And then there are some Iris Duo beads. The color is Ancient Gold. Of course, the Iris Duo beads have 2 holes, like that, on the sides. They're really pretty. And then there was a free gift. Says check leaf bead mix August nuts. These are really pretty. There's some all kinds of different leaves in there, and some other beads, round beads, and that's some Storm Duo beads. That's a little, looks like a little petal bead. I think I see a fire polish bead in there. A few fire polish beads in there. Just a real fun little mix. And that's everything. So hold on, I'll get everything together in one picture and I'll be back. Okay, there's everything that came in the Potomac Beads Treasure Edition subscription box for August 2026, called Endless Sunset. Some really beautiful beads and findings in this box. Really good quality findings always from Potomac Beads. Like I said, I'll leave links in the description box below to the pages on the Potomac Beads website, where you can go and read about both of their subscription boxes and sign up if it's something that you're interested in. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate those of you who have subscribed to my channel and watched my videos and liked and commented on my videos. I have a website where I sell my jewelry and some grab bags of extra beads that I have. It's Teresa's Handmade Jewelry, and I'll put a link to it in the description box below in case you're interested. If you haven't, I'd really love it if you'd subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. So until next time, I hope y'all have a great day. Take care.